Okay, this is November 2019. I'm going to install the cab. It's a modified ATV cab, and I'm going to put on my lawn tractor. I made these two brackets right down here, if you can see them. Here. Those are just copper tubes. I bolted it on. I didn't know if they'd last or not, but they've been on there for 11 years now. And that works pretty good. And then I can't open the engine bonnet when I got the cab on, so here if I have to give it a boost. And there's a cable here if I want to put the battery tender on. So that's good to go. And I got a plug here. That's going to be for my lights on the cab. So what I have to do is these here hooks in the bracket I have in the front. This here arm will hook on my tractor here, and here and there. That goes right on the back, around down here. They just bolt on right there. So it's not a heavy cab, but it's awkward. So I got this little wrench set up. And, right. Okay, it's a little hard to do with this one hand, but. And it's got a little ATV one grab. It's not bad.